If you have a tiny YouTube channel or brand new social media channels, social media accounts, you're probably being lied about how to do affiliate marketing that actually works. Every guide tells you the same thing, and that is post 3 times a day on your social media, on your TikTok account, on your Instagram account, and pray that the algorithm will find your video and push it to others, make it viral, and get you a lot of views, and thus you make a lot of commissions that way, right? But chasing views is exactly why you are burning out, and that is why probably your affiliate dashboard looks $0, right? It's just zero. And so I'm going to show you the exact micro traffic affiliate strategy that I use to generate consistent affiliate commissions without massive following, right? Without massive following. Okay, so we are going to look at the exact math of why 50 of the right views are better than the 10,000s of views that you get in a wrong way, right? 10,000 wrong views, let's just say that, right? So better than 10,000, you get 50 targeted views, and you should be able to make affiliate sales that way. And I will exactly show you how to get those right kind of views as well, right? That micro traffic that actually converts. The biggest mistake that beginners make is treating all the internet traffic, right? They think all the internet traffic is same, which is completely wrong. There are two types of people, and one is browsers and two is buyers. So when a person is browsing through TikTok, right, they are scrolling through this TikTok, this Insta, this YouTube shorts, right? These type of traffic are browsers. They are bored, right? They are looking for a quick dopamine hits. If your video pops up, let's say your video pops up here, they might just watch it, but their intent, right, the whole intent is entertainment. That is their intent. That is the purpose of why they are scrolling all these endless reels. Now, to get a browser to your landing page, to your opt-in page, and get the credit card out, even with a strong funnel, it usually takes thousands of clicks, thousands of views to get a single buyer. Now let's look at the buyer traffic, the buyers here. Now buyers here don't scroll, right? They don't scroll. They actually go ahead and search. Buyers don't scroll, they search. When someone goes to YouTube search bar and they search for system versus ClickFunnels, or best email autoresponder, these are specific search queries. They are not bored here. They are looking for a solution. They are looking for options that will make their business better, right? They're already actively looking for a solution. They have the credit card in their hand and they're ready to pay to solve their problem. So if you go ahead and put in a simple video in front of these people, right? This is your video that answers these exact queries in front of them, in front of that specific search. You do not need to be a salesman. You do not need to be a slick salesman to actually make money. You just need to answer their question and then just give your affiliate link. That's it. That's all you need to make affiliate commissions every single day. And that too with a tiny audience. Now let me show you how to exactly find these buyers, all right? And this is a strategy that I call search bar goldmine, and you do not need expensive keyword tools for this. I explain a great deal about this strategy on my course ACE. It's just there, right? You do not need expensive keyword tools for this. YouTube tells you exactly what people want, right? So when you type a base keyword, for example, best software for. So when you type a base keyword here, YouTube's autocomplete feature fills in the rest, as you can see here. And these are not random guesses. These are the exact phrases real humans are typing in right now, all right? But we want to go deeper. We want that micro traffic. So for example, now if I go and click, if I just search HeyGen versus. Now this is a comparison keyword, right? One software we already know it is about AI, avatar, and those sort of stuff. So people are looking for alternative, and that's why they type these keywords, this comparison type of keywords. So look at this here, right? HeyGen versus Synthesia. Heigen versus Higgs field. The person typing this keyword already knows what the software is, right? They're just trying to decide which one to buy today. So if you create a simple faceless 5-minute screencast, video like I'm doing right now, comparing Heigen, comparing Synthesia or Higgs field, talking about the pricing, talking about the features, you might only get 40-50 views, right? But those 50 views will be pure buyer intent views. These are the golden views that we need in order to make affiliate commissions regularly in a recurring manner, right? And if you rank these, if you rank 10 of these boring micro search traffic terms, micro search traffic videos, you build a compound machine, right? You're compounding machine getting 50 views a month. So 10 videos, 50 views a month, that would be 500 views that are pure buyer intent, ready to buy. So really you do not need millions or thousands even to actually make a living, right? Yes, a living with affiliate marketing, right? You just need to stop chasing the people who are scrolling and instead go ahead and start answering the questions of people who are searching, right? So search traffic is the gold mine here. Focus entirely on buyer intent, and that is the golden advice that I can give you for your tiny YouTube channel, tiny social media channels. If you do that, the math that I talked about will work in your favor. All right, and you will be able to see those dollar signs on your affiliate dashboard. If you found this whole breakdown that I did helpful and you want to actually implement this, you don't have to figure out everything, right? I have put links to all my resources down in the description below. If you want a done for you ecosystem, if you want to learn YouTube properly, if you want to really do, implement this micro traffic strategy, check the links in the description. Choose the path that makes the most sense for you right now and stop chasing viral views. Okay, so keep it very, very simple. Stick to the math, and I will see you in the next video.